You can use Revit Generative Design to quickly generate design alternatives based on your goals, constraints, and inputs. Suppose you want to determine the best arrangement of desks in a large room. Your goals are to maximize the number of desks while also maximizing the views to the outside. You want to minimize the distance from each desk to the nearest exit. On the Manage tab, click Create Study. The Create Study dialog lists available study types. These are examples provided by Autodesk. Using Dynamo, more study types can be added to help solve your organization's unique design problems. In this case, we'll create a workspace layout study using the example provided. Enter a unique name for the study. The method determines the logic that is used to generate the design alternatives or outcomes. In this example, we have specific goals, so we'll use Optimize. The settings in the dialog change based on the method you choose. For each study type, a Dynamo script defines the inputs available for use as possible goals, variables, and constraints. For some studies, you select items in the current model as inputs to the design process. These elements must already exist in the model. For this study, select the room for the workspace layout, then select an instance of the desk family to be used in the layout. For Choose Variables, select the items whose values can change while generating the outcomes. For Set Goals, select the goals that are important for this study. Indicate whether you want to minimize or maximize each goal. In addition to defining the variables and goals, you can set constraints on the outcomes. For generation settings, use the defaults. These settings affect how the Optimize algorithm works. Check the Issues section and be sure to resolve any issues before starting the study. Click Generate to start the study. The Explore Outcomes dialog opens, showing progress of the study. While it is generating outcomes, you can minimize the window and continue working in Revit or other applications. Check back later to see the outcomes when they are complete. When the study is done, a green checkmark displays next to the study name. Outcomes display in the center pane, showing the design alternatives resulting from the study.